Hey guys, this is Vice from Vice IAS, and this is actually a continuation of the confusing topic simplified. Already four videos have been uploaded, and this is the fifth of the series. This series I started to just help you guys to retain certain things which are there in the news, but all are having similar names or which can create confusion in your mind. Or even if you learn it properly, just before the prelims, you will again forget it, or you will get confused when you see the options in prelims questions. So for such topics, I started this confusing topic simplified. That is the CTS series. Four videos are there. Many students have not watched it because they were either too much engrossed in the spectrum series, or now the geography and history and CRT series is going on. So for that and all, I am getting response, but this CTS series was not being there, not being looked upon by the students. So I would recommend all of you to watch it. The first video was something about the core industries. There is a slight mistake in that I'll be updating. It's like that the recent update had changed the weightage of it. Okay, there I have told 8 core industries, out of which electricity is also a part, and I told electricity is the one having highest weightage. But it is actually now in second spot, and refinery products is having the highest weightage. So that is just a reversal of the order, because I have told you a trick in that particular video to by heart that in order, that 8 core industries. So now that will have to be changed. I'll try to update it and put a new video, but please make it correct wherever you have made the notes. Okay, so that is about that. Now watch the other three also. It's all good. I have taken about types of clouds. I have taken about total the international bodies. A lot of international bodies like ASEAN, SARC, SARTEC. How to remember the country names, where is its headquarters, and all those things. Okay, these are things which UPSC keeps on asking, and you will get confused also. So that is why this series will help you. And now this particular thing today, I am going to help you understand different schemes which have the same name. Okay, there is Saksham, Project Saksham. There are a lot of things keeping on coming in the news, and we study that on daily basis. But when the option comes, like suppose a question comes in prelims and they give 3 options and the fourth one will be none of these, and you would have studied a particular Saksham and you will be confident like, okay, I know the answer, and it's not there in the options. Okay, and you will mark it as none of these. But what happens is there will be another Saksham scheme which has a different description, and that will be already there in option A, B or C, and you will not mark it correct. That is what happens. So that is why I told you. I'll give you another example. Sophia is in news for the robot. Okay, the robot which got citizenship in Saudi Arabia. But 2 days back or 3 days back, there was another Sophia in news, which was like, I think, US German collaboration of some airborne spacecraft or something, observatory, I think airborne observatory. And I put a mock question in my Facebook page, and I purposely did this none of these things in the fourth option, and many students came and marked this D, because they did not find that robot option in the A, B and C. Okay, so hope you understood what I'm trying to tell you. So similarly, we should be thorough with everything which comes in the news, and we should not mark this none of this, or we should not fall into trap of these mock questions or the actual UPSC question. I have also made a video for Udan scheme, because a lot of Udan scheme are there. UDAN is there, UDAAN is there. Then I think Nai Udan or something is there. So I made a different video. Please watch that in the same playlist. Now Saksham we'll see. Okay, 4 Sakshams I'll take you through. Saksham, and 2 of them are Project Saksham and Project Saksham. Okay, all these were there in the news in the last 1 or 2 years. So we'll see what each one of them are. Okay. So first one is a scheme Saksham under Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Okay, and the implementing agency is AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. So with this slide picture alone, you will understand that HRD and AICTE. It is a scholarship scheme for the differently abled children, okay, or the Divyang children, implemented by AICTE. Like I told, this is scholarship for those who are differently abled, whose family income is less than rupees 6 lakh per annum. Okay, so it's not only looking the physical thing, that is the disability, it's also looking the economic thing also, the family income. Okay, 6 lakh per annum. If it's less, then only it is eligible. The candidates will be selected on merit at the qualifying examination to pursue technical education from amongst such candidates. Okay, so merit exam is there, and income is also seen, and implementing agency is there, and also there are a lot of other conditions in PIB. They have given list of things, but at least this thing you should know. Okay, it is a scholarship scheme for disabled children. Okay, I have given you the important points alone. So this is first Saksham. Now we'll see another Saksham scheme. Okay, so this was in the news recently, 1 or 2 days back, I think. So this is Sanrakshan Kshamta Mahotsav. Okay, this is related to Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, and it is an annual flagship event of the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, PCRA. Okay, annual flagship event of the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, and this aims to focus on fuel conservation through people-centric activities to sensitize the masses about the efficient use of petroleum products, leading to better health and environment. So it is like telling about properly, efficiently, conveniently use the petroleum or related products, so that it is good for both their personal health and environment. Okay, so this is the aim of Saksham under Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry. Also, the state governments, oil and gas PSU, etc., will also participate in this. Not only citizens, even the governments and PSUs. So this is the second section. One was HRD, one is petroleum and natural gas. Now the third one, you can see the picture here, upskilling scheme. Okay, for Southern Railway they are doing. So it's actually for the entire railway. Ministry of Railway did a 1 week long activity actually. Okay, upskilling the efficiency of railway staff at all levels to boost their productivity. So Railway Minister gives directions for comprehensive training program for all the employees of Indian Railway to boost productivity and efficiency. I copied this from BIB. The week-long training in skills and domain knowledge will be imparted to all the employees of Indian Railway. So it's about a mass upskilling event, a 1 week long event which happened recently, and it is of Ministry of Railways. So now 3 Sakshams we see. Now one more is there. Okay, Project Saksham, and this is not about ministries. This is about the initiative of the Central Board of Excise and Customs, the indirect tax. You know, GST came into existence. A lot of IT related networking was happening. GST network was introduced. Wipro, Infosys, everybody were involved, and then they wanted to combine this, the existing one and the new one. They have to make a proper working network, right? So that network, what is the integration? That project is the Project Saksham of the CBEC. Okay, so it will help in implementation of GST, extension of the Indian Customs single wind interface for facilitating trade. That is SWIFT. SWIFT is there, single window thing. Okay, that is why in ease of doing business everywhere we have improved now, because government is doing such initiatives. So SWIFT, GST, and other taxpayer-friendly initiatives under Digital India and ease of doing business of Central Board of Excise and Customs. So overall tax regime, indirect tax regime, networking improvement. For that, this Project Saksham was launched. Okay. The implementation strategy for the project will be to ensure readiness of CBEC's IT systems. That is the key. So 4 Sakshams, don't forget. One is HRD's scholarship thing. Another is Petroleum Ministry is conserving petroleum products. Then we saw the upskilling thing by railways, and now Central Board of Excise and Customs, Project Saksham. So I hope it is very clear to you. MCQs related to all the schemes we have in plenty. I think over 200 250 MCQs we have. Buy it at a cheap price from our Facebook page. Any contribution you want to make, this is our Paytm number, and the Facebook link is also given. So till we come up with our next video, thank you, but give your feedback. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.